Want to reclaim your Mac storage and speed without the headache of complex manual cleaning? MacCleaner Pro might just be the solution you have been looking for.
Welcome to Best Reviews.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Best Reviews YouTube channel. Today we are diving into MacCleaner Pro, a comprehensive optimization suite developed by macOS experts at Nectoni. This software is designed to help users manage disk space, find duplicate files, and properly uninstall applications to keep their computers running smoothly. In this video, we will walk through how the platform works, its standout features, the pricing structure, and what kind of customer support you can expect. Before we get started, here's a reminder to check out our full written review at bestreviews.net for the latest updates and offers. MacCleaner Pro is built to simplify the often tedious process of maintaining a healthy Mac. When first launching the software, the interface presents a clean, well-designed dashboard that is easy to navigate. The system immediately initiates a scan for issues, which typically takes between 30 seconds and a minute to complete. Once the scan is finished, the software provides a clear overview of junk files and performance bottlenecks. The experience is highly visual, using infographics and file lists to show exactly where storage is being used. While the main hub serves as a central point, it's worth noting that some advanced tasks will launch companion apps for app management, disk analysis, or duplicate finding. In essence, MacCleaner Pro offers a complete suite of apps, so you can jump into the exact feature you need. Now, if you're new to Mac Optimizer software, switching between a few different apps can feel a bit confusing at first. But the good news is that all the apps share an intuitive interface, so most people get the hang of it quickly. The software is divided into a versatile toolkit consisting of different programs and utilities, with MacCleaner Pro acting as the central application hub. The core cleaning function allows for the thorough removal of temporary files, app caches, logs, and language files with a high degree of customization, even allowing for the clearing of specific browser caches. For those looking to boost performance, the speed-up tools help manage startup programs, reindex Spotlight, force quit apps that are impacting performance, and review browser extensions. To get a visual breakdown of what's taking up space on your Mac, you can use Manage Files. From there, you can drill down and selectively remove specific items instead of deleting things blindly. And if you need an even deeper look, especially into system files on your home folder, MacCleaner Pro can launch its Disk Space Analyzer app, which maps everything out in more detail so you can make smarter cleanup decisions without accidentally removing something important. A standout tool of MacCleaner Pro is the Duplicate File Finder, which uses an AI-powered system to locate not just exact copies, but also similar photos taken from different angles, burst shots, or those with poor lighting. The app cleaner and uninstaller ensures that when a program is removed, no leftover files remain, and it even helps track which applications need updating. To optimize your Mac's disk space, you can use the Biggest Files tool for a quick cleanup, or run Disk Space Analyzer for a full drive scan. For more technical users, the Funter utility tool is a unique addition that allows for the discovery and management of hidden files in Finder, searching through bundles and packages that standard searches often miss. The Memory Cleaner app, accessible from the menu bar, offers a quick view into RAM usage and a 2-click shortcut to speed up the computer. MacCleaner Pro offers a flexible pricing structure, with monthly, annual, and lifetime subscription options that scale based on whether you need to cover 1, 2, or 5 computers. All plans provide access to the same suite of features, but the longer-term commitments for multiple devices offer the most significant value. For instance, the annual plan for a single device allows for substantial monthly savings compared to a standard monthly subscription, while the Dual Mac and Family Pack options drive those costs down even further. In fact, groups of friends or families can split the bill on the largest plan to reach a very low cost per user. For those who prefer to own the software outright and avoid recurring fees, a one-time lifetime purchase is also available. While the company considers refunds on a case-by-case basis during the first 30 days, it is highly recommended to use the 2-day free trial to fully evaluate the tools before purchasing. The support resources for MacCleaner Pro are comprehensive and conveniently accessible directly from within the application. Users have access to a library of Get Started guides for each utility, frequently asked questions, and video tutorials. When Direct Assistant is required, the platform offers three main channels: a web-based contact form, email, and WhatsApp. When reaching out to MacCleaner Pro's team, we received a prompt and concise reply via email within 1 day, while the response via WhatsApp was almost instantaneous. This high level of service aligns with the strong reputation the software maintains in the online community, where users frequently praise the team for delivering solutions within just a couple of hours. Whether utilizing the self-service knowledge base or reaching out for direct help, the platform ensures that users are well supported throughout your experience. MacCleaner Pro brings a lot to the table, with its highly specialized technical toolkit offering fast and customizable scans, AI-powered duplicate detection, and excellent app management. While the platform offers deep technical value, the experience can feel a bit fragmented for new users since many functions require switching between several separate apps. Additionally, it's worth noting that the software lacks built-in malware detection or a secure file shredder, which are features often found in other optimization suites. Considering the pros and cons, we recommend MacCleaner Pro for Mac users who want in-depth storage management and a powerful way to organize their files and applications. To see a full breakdown of the features and compare it with other optimizers, be sure to visit bestreviews.net to read the full written review. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and leave us a comment down below if you have any questions. For more reviews and other videos, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you will be notified of future videos. See you next time!